When the gate drops, nothing else matters. It's just you with a bike and the track in front of you. This is motocross. It's not just a sport, it's a way of life. Early mornings, late nights, cold days in the paddock, chasing tenths of a second and perfect lines. At Pro Power MX, we live this every single day. We are riders, racers, and mechanics, building bikes the way real riders need them to be: strong, responsive, and race-ready. Every engine we touch, every suspension we set up, every part we choose has one goal: go faster, last longer, feel better on the bike. From local club races to big race days, we support the riders who line up on the gate with heart, grit, and passion. If you love the smell of race fuel, fresh tires on a rough track, and the feeling of holding it wide open, you're one of us. Pro Power MX. Built for riders. Powered by passion.